IELTS Test Day, the importance of arriving early. Hello everyone. Today, we'll discuss a crucial aspect of your IELTS Test Day, the importance of arriving early. Whether it's your first time taking the test or you've done it before, this piece of advice is golden. First and foremost, reducing stress is the key reason. When you arrive early, 1. No rushing. You can ensure that you're not rushing or panicking because you're running late. 2. Familiarize yourself. You get ample time to become familiar with the test center surroundings. 3. Preparation time. You can mentally prepare yourself, review your notes one last time, and ensure you have everything you need. Now, the question arises, how early should you be? Ideally, aim for at least 30 minutes before your scheduled time. This gives you sufficient time for unexpected delays and the check-in process. Some students prefer arriving an hour ahead to give themselves extra buffer time. So you've arrived early. What now? 1. Breathe. Take a moment to take some deep breaths. It helps in calming nerves. 2. Quick review. Skim through your notes, but avoid cramming. Remember, it's about refreshing, not learning new information. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink some water, but not too much to avoid frequent restroom trips. 4. Visualization. Imagine yourself confidently answering questions and completing tasks. Almost everyone feels nervous. Here's how to deal with those jitters when you arrive early. 1. Chat with others. A light conversation with fellow test takers might help ease the nerves. 2. Avoid discussing test content. It can make you more anxious. 3. Stretch. A few simple stretches can help release tension. In summary, arriving early for your IELTS test can be a game changer. It helps reduce stress, gives you time to familiarize yourself, and mentally prepares you for the tasks ahead. Remember, being early means being at ease. Best of luck, and I hope this tip makes your IELTS test day a smooth experience.